Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add contacts on Brevo. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Brevo account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how exactly can you create an account on Brevo? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type brevo.com and follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account once you get into the official website for Brevo using that link. Now, after creating your account and signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Brevo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text. From your homepage, head over to the left navigation panel where you have Home, Contacts, Campaigns, Automations, Transactional, Conversations, Deals, Meetings, and Calls. So go ahead and click on Contact. And once you click on Contact, that's going to take you right into this window where you can now create a contact, import contact. Also, you can view, organize, and manage your contacts individually or as a group. Now, for us to add a new contact, this is what we should do. From the top right corner, you have this Create a Contact button. So click on Create a Contact button. So once you click on that, it's going to take you here, where you can now follow through with the prompt to create your contact. So you have the prompt available. So add the first name, here where you have the first name, add the first name of the contact, add the last name of the contact, add the email of the contact, the phone number of the contact, the list if you have a list already, and associated to companies. If you have any company that you need to associate this contact with, go ahead and fill that in. And after that, go ahead and click on the create button option and you see that your contact will be created. So the first name, the last name, the email, the phone number, list if you have any associated to companies, if there are any companies associated, and then go ahead and click on the create button. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.